like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will. Rolling stone. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice spinning on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Tonight I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a count my figures. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I get. Live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I get. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my legs, send action. These days no kumbaya. Blasting, living in the middle, might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, ain't no bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances.
The finished look of this unit, and this is a Sensational wig. This is in their butter lace collection, and it's in a style Bohemian, and it is 28 inches, and I got the color 1B. And let me just say, I love this. Like, the curls give. Now this is also this unit is human hair and premium fiber blend, so I was able to put on some mousse on this just to enhance the curls, but I love it. I love the length. I love how full it is. Usually when you get wigs that are like curly, sometimes they're not full how you would want them to be, especially a synthetic wig, but this one is gorgeous. And let me just say, the lace is giving scalp. You guys probably can't see on my camera because my camera sucks, but it's definitely giving scalp. This wig was only a T-part. There's only minimum I can do on this wig, which is fine. Like, I could have got away with just a middle part or I could have did like a free part and like flipped it. Either way it would have worked because there was still a little bit of lace in the front. I'm going to link the wig down below for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode in 12 Days of Wigmas. Bye.